Hello everyone, I'm Nitesh Narang, and for this demo session, I'm going to teach the topic division of polynomials. In the division of polynomials, we first need to understand addition and subtraction of polynomials as well as multiplication and division of polynomials. In the case of addition and subtraction, the polynomials which have like terms, only like terms polynomial can be added or subtracted. But in the case of multiplication or division, even if they are unlike, this can still be multiplied or divided. Like terms are the terms which have same variable. Variable means alphabets. They have same alphabets as well as the power of those alphabets should be same. Okay. For example, in addition and subtraction, x plus x can be added or subtracted. 3x minus 4x can be added or subtracted. But 3x minus 4x square cannot be added or subtracted, as well as 5x minus 4y, they can also be not added or subtracted because these two are the example of unlike terms. Why? Because in first case the powers are not the same, and in the second case the variables are not the same. So for the like terms, powers as well as variables should be the same to get added or subtracted. I mean, first case x plus x will become 2x. Why? In the case of like terms, only their coefficient. Coefficient means the thing with x doesn't have any specific coefficient, so we will say it has one coefficient. So 1x plus 1x, in this case 1 plus 1 is added, 1 plus 1 is added to make 2, and the x has been put as so. Now in second case 3x minus 4x, in this case also, in this case the x are the same, x are the same in both the terms, therefore it is the like terms. In the case of like terms, only their coefficient is added or subtracted. So in this case 3 minus 4 should happen, 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so we will say minus 1x or minus x. Now in the case of multiplication, unlike terms, it can also be multiplied or divided. For example, 3x multiplied by 4y, 3x multiplied by 2x square, 5y multiplied by 4x. So in this case, the coefficients will be multiplied by itself and the variables will also multiplied by itself. For example, in the first case, 3 will get multiplied by 4 to make 12, and x will multiply by y to become xy. The answer will be 12xy. And in the second case, 3x multiplied by 2x square to become 3 2s are 6, and x multiplied by x square means to become x cube. And the last case, 5 4s are 20, coefficient will multiplied by itself, and xy will also get multiplied. Now, for division of polynomials, we will use some steps. Only 3 steps are needed to divide a polynomial completely and easily. You just have to remember 3 steps. First step is divide the first term of both divisor and dividend to get first quotient. We have to divide first term of divisor and dividend to get first quotient. Now, when we will get quotient, we will multiply the quotient with divisor. We will multiply the quotient with the divisor to get the term. The last process will be interchange the sign of the terms. Interchange the sign of terms as they are subtracting from the previous terms. The required answer, and we will repeat we will repeat this step until and unless divisor become greater than dividend. So let's start with the first question. In this case, there is 2x cube is the first term of the dividend and x is the first term of the divisor. So we will divide 2x cube with x. 2x cube will be divided by x. So 2x cube. X cube means x 3 times. And it will get divided by x. So x 1x will have been cut off. So x into x, x square. So it will become 2x square. 2x square. Okay. So we will get first question as 2x square. 2x square. Now we will multiply 2x square with x. 2x square. So it will become 2x cube. Now we will multiply by 2x square with minus 3, 2x square with minus 3, 3 2 is 6, x square. All right. So we have done first step as well as second step. In the first step, we had divided the first term of the dividend with the first term of a divisor to get first quotient, which is 2x square. In the second step, we have multiplied 2x square with the first divisor to get first term, and then we have multiplied 2x square with the second divisor to get the second term. And in the case of subtraction of terms, we need to interchange the signs. Interchange. For example, there is plus. In the plus, you use minus. There is minus here, then you will plus in the second terms. Okay. The 2x cube will cut to 2x cube. Now it becomes 6x square in plus and minus 5x square. So 6x square minus 5x square. They are like terms. So we will subtract 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So it will become x square. There is no need. You can write, but there is no need to write 1 here as well. Minus 8x plus 15. Now we will divide x square with x. First step, divide the first divided with x. So x square get divided with x. X square means it has 2x's. X square means it has 2x. And 1x has been cut off. So only x will remain. So it will become plus x. Now plus x again, multiply the quotient with the divisor to get the terms. X should be multiplied with x to get x square. Then x should be multiplied with minus 3 to become minus x. Now we will interchange the value, exchange the values again. So plus converted into minus, minus converted into plus. Because we are subtracting these terms. Plus 3 become minus 5. Minus 8 plus 3 become minus 5, and we will write x here. Plus 50. Okay. 5x should be divided with x because minus 5x is the first dividend and x is the first divisor. It will become minus 5. So our minus 5 is our third quotient. Okay. Taking steps again. Minus 5 multiplied by x, minus 5 multiplied by x to become minus 5x, and with minus 3. Minus 5 should be multiplied with minus 3, and the case of multiplication, minus and minus cut it off, it will become plus 15. Now we will change the signs again. Minus become plus, plus become minus. Minus plus cut it off, plus minus cut it off. Answer become 0. And that's how we use division of polynomials.